This recipe is baked macaroni and squash, and this is fabulous if you want to get some vegetables in, and it also is high in protein, and I'm going to show you what you need. So this is 3 yellow squash cut up, and this is also 3 zucchini, and I also cut those up. I thinly slice them. You just need pieces about that size. Well, that one's a little, or that size. And a container, this is a 15-ounce container of fat-free ricotta cheese. An entire can of light ragu tomato and basil sauce. That's about how big it is. 1 can of diced tomatoes, and you're going to drain that. Usually I don't drain the tomatoes, but today we are. And 1 package of, this is Smart Taste, this is elbow macaroni. And you could use a different kind if you like. I like this one because it has 2.5 times the fiber. Then you're going to need a little bit of ground black pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, and some Italian seasoning. And the other thing that you're going to need is, a 1/3 cup of, this is Weight Watchers cheese. You don't have to use this kind, but a 1/3 cup is only 2 points. So try to stay around there. Okay, and now we're going to get started. So first we are going to take our squash, and I used a little bit of canola spray. And now I'm just going to keep turning these about, I guess, around 7-8 minutes until they're sort of see-through. And while you're doing that, you can go ahead and throw your macaroni and cook it according to the box directions. Once the squash is soft and cooked through, then you're going to add your can of drained tomatoes, and it'll look like this. And I also, at this time, I added all the seasonings. And I'm going to post this on my blog, so you don't have to worry if you miss anything. So now I'm going to add our light ragu, the entire can. So this is what it's going to look like before we add our macaroni. It basically looks like a very chunky spaghetti sauce. So now we are going to drain our macaroni and add it into our mixture. After you mix your macaroni into the mixture, then you're going to throw it into a pan. This is a 3-quart pan. This is a humongous recipe. Because of all the veggies and everything, it's really bulked it up, and it's very big. So now we are going to add the ricotta cheese. The final thing that you're going to do is spread the entire container of the ricotta cheese on top as nicely as you can get it, and then just add a little bit of Italian seasoning, a little bit of garlic salt, and a little bit of black pepper if you like it, and then just top with 1/3 cup of the cheese. This is what it looks like. This is going to be humongous. That's the sides. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and now we're going to stick it on in. So here it is, the finished product, and it's going to bake in the oven at 350, like I was saying, for about 45 to 50 minutes, till the top is nice and brown. And the ricotta cheese makes such a nice crust, as you can see. See that? Look at that piece with all those little yummy seasonings. Let me show you the side of it. That's what the sides look like. And as you can see, I cut out 1 slice. You're going to cut this into 12 slices.